good morning to the honorable judges, timekeepers, parents, teachers, and my fellow friends. Today, it is my greatest honor to speak my deepest thoughts on the importance of holistic education. Ladies and gentlemen, holistic education does not necessarily just bring an alternative to education system, but has evolved as a paradigm shift in nurturing and shaping 21st century education of our future generation. Kindly allow me to discuss about the importance of holistic education that has powerfully redefining education of 21st century. The biggest and foremost importance of a holistic approach isn't just about mental development, but it encompasses psychological, social, and emotional growth. A holistic approach motivates children to learn about a subject. It instills curiosity and allows children to learn naturally and creatively. It is also attuned to each child's individual persona and learning style in contrast of the current mass educational system. Ladies and gentlemen, secondly, holistic education provides and ensures positive and long-term results in nurturing and shaping our future generation. The result is a child who develops better communication, social skills, develops a better confidence. They feel good about learning and challenging themselves with certain subjects because these offers them positive association. Instinct motivation, in turn, propels them to be curious, inquisitive, and eventually be innovative adults at the workplace. Ladies and gentlemen, thirdly, implementing a successful holistic approach brings connection for the child with the beautiful world outside through experiences and exploration. A holistic methodology seeks to help children develop all their skills and build their strengths. As such, educational approach is inclined towards play-based learning, children's creativity, and their imagination. For instance, holistic curriculum could include dance and stage performance, speech, photography, or painting, to name only a few, in addition to the traditional subjects. This kind of teaching and learning does not confine to the classroom settings. In fact, parents and educators would do well to create an environment where children can experiment and explore. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, holistic educational approach inspires and engages a child to an education that is fun and meaningful. Education is no longer just about learning tangible and measurable skills that confines to grades, but the objective of holistic education is to make learning so fun and meaningful that the child seeks to it even when he or she is out of the classroom, and this continues to fuel the child's quest for lifelong learning and development. I would like to end my speech by quoting my favorite quote by the infamous intellect Albert Einstein. I never teach my pupils, but I provide conditions in which they can learn. I thank everyone who has listened to my humble speech. Thank you.